Charleville Mansion, nestled in the picturesque hills of Shimla, is a stunning example of colonial architecture and historical significance. Built in the 19th century, this majestic structure reflects the grandeur of the British Raj era, showcasing intricate design elements and lush surroundings that capture the essence of a bygone time. The mansion, with its elegant facade, boasts tall windows and expansive verandas that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding pine forests and the majestic Himalayas. The architecture is characterized by a blend of Gothic and Indian styles, featuring elaborate woodwork, high ceilings, and ornate decorations that speak to the craftsmanship of that era. Each corner of the mansion tells a story, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its rich history. Originally constructed as a summer retreat for British officials, Charleville Mansion became a hub of social gatherings and cultural exchanges during the colonial period. Its grand halls were filled with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses, making it a vibrant center of activity. The mansion's historical significance is further enhanced by its association with notable figures from the past, adding to its allure as a tourist destination. Today, Charleville Mansion has been restored to preserve its original charm while incorporating modern amenities for visitors. It serves as a heritage hotel, offering a unique experience for those seeking to step back in time while enjoying contemporary comforts. Guests can stroll through its beautifully landscaped gardens, relax in cozy lounges, or indulge in delicious cuisine inspired by local flavors. The surrounding area of Shimla is equally captivating, with its scenic landscapes, pleasant climate, and a plethora of attractions. From the bustling Mall Road to the serene ridge, visitors can explore various sites that showcase the city's colonial history and natural beauty. The nearby Jakku Temple, dedicated to Hanuman, and the iconic Christ Church add to the cultural richness of the region. In essence, Charleville Mansion is not just a place to stay, it is an experience that encapsulates the historical and architectural beauty of Shimla. Its timeless elegance and captivating history make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking to explore the enchanting charm of this hill station. Whether you're a history buff or simply looking for a serene getaway, Charleville Mansion offers a glimpse into the grandeur of the past amidst the tranquility of nature.